In today's class, I'll teach some of the important problems that appeared in your past board papers. When x is greater than 3, the function is same. So RHL is also 6. I told you how to prove continuous. You should find LHL, then you should find RHL, then you should find functional value. What is LHL? Left-handed limit. Limit extends to 0 minus f of x. Choose the function when x is less than 1. X not equal to 0 means what? When x is less than 0 or greater than 0, this is the function. Welcome to the session, dear students. In today's class, I'll teach some of the important problems that appeared in your past board papers in chapter Limits and Continuity. Now the first question, show that f of x is equal to x square minus 9 by x minus 3 when x not equal to 3 and 4 when x equal to 3 is continuous at x equal to 3. Now you need to prove it is continuous. See, whenever function is having more than one value, so now function has two different stages. When x not equal to 3, this is f of x. When x is equal to 3, this is f of x. In such cases, we need to prove LHL, RHL, f of a, all three are same. Left-handed limit, right-handed limit and functional value at 3, if they are same, then it will be continuous. So first step is you should find LHL. LHL means what? Left-handed limit. So we'll find what? Left-handed limit. How to find left-handed limit? So LHL means left-handed limit. Left-handed limit is limit x tends to, we are checking continuity at what? 3. So you should take x tends to 3 minus f of x. What is LHL? Limit x tends to 3 minus f of x. What is the meaning of limit x tends to 3 minus? Limit x tends to 3 minus means it is same as limit x tends to 3. It is same as what? Limit x tends to 3. Minus means choose the function when x is less than 3. When x less than 3. See, x not equal to 3 means what? Less than or greater than. So when x less than 3 or greater than 3, this is the function. So f of x is x square minus 9 divided by x minus 3. So now further I'll write it here. That is limit x tends to 3, we have x square minus 9. Can I write 9 as 3 square divided by x minus 3. Now apply limit. You can observe it is in the form x power n minus a power n by x minus a. You know the theorem. What is the theorem? Limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a can be written as n into a power n minus 1. So I'll write it as 2 into 3 power n minus 1, 2 minus 1, that is 2 into 3 power 1, that is 2 3 is 6. So now you got LHL is equal to 6. See, RHL, right-handed limit, in this case also will be 6 because when x is greater than 3, the function is same. So RHL is also 6. Now we will find f of 3, function value when x is 3. When x is 3, what is the function value? When x is 3, function value they give 4. So therefore, you can see LHL and f of 3, they are not same. So LHL value is not equal to f of 3, function value at 3. Therefore, function f of x is not continuous. F of x is not continuous. We can say it is not continuous at x is equal to what? 3. The function is not continuous at x equal to 3. If a function has to be continuous, then it should satisfy LHL, RHL and f of a. Left-handed limit, right-handed limit and functional value. If all three are same, then we say the function is continuous. But here we'll get LHL as 6 and RHL also will be 6. But f of 3, function value when x is 3, they give 4. So they are not equal. LHL, left-handed limit and f of 3 are not same. Therefore, the function is not continuous. Next we have, show that f of x is equal to 1 plus 4x whole power 1 by x, x not equal to 0 and e power 4 when x is equal to 0. They want you to show it is continuous at x equal to 0. I told you how to prove continuous. You should find LHL, then you should find RHL, then you should find functional value. If all three are same, then the function is continuous. Again start with LHL. So first I'll find left-handed limit. What is left-handed limit? Limit x tends to I want to check continuity at 0. Limit extends to 0 minus f of x. What is the meaning of limit extends to 0 minus? It is same as limit extends to 0, and minus means choose the function when x is less than 0. X not equal to 0 means what? X less than 0 or greater than 0. When x less than 0 or greater than 0, I should take this function. So minus means when x is less than 0. When x is less than 0, function is what? 1 plus 4x whole power 1 by x. Now limit extends to 0, 1 plus 4x whole power 1 by x. Now we need to apply limit for this. That is, limit extends to 0, 1 plus 4x whole power 1 by x. Now you can observe here we have 4. So introduce 4. What I will do, divide and multiply by 4 so that it will reduce to standard form. So limit extends to 0. Can I take 1 plus 4x, 1 by 4x whole power 4 can I write? You know law of indices, a per m whole power n is a per m into n. If you multiply these two, 4 cancels, it will be x. So we had 1 by x. 1 by x, can I write it as 1 by 4x whole power into 4? So 4 cancels, it will be same. So divide and multiply by 4. One of the 4 I will take it up. All of you know a power m whole power n. What is a power m whole power n? A power m whole power n is a power m into n. Like that 4, if you take it inside, it will cancel. So instead of 1 by x, I will write 1 by 4x whole power 4. I am introducing 4 here. Now we have a standard format. What is the standard format? So we have another theorem, that is limit if x is tending to 0, and if you have 1 plus x power 1 by x, means if this and this all are same, answer is E. Now we can see if x is tending to 0, multiply 4 on both sides, 4x tends to 4 zeros are 0. Now this whole internal part becomes E. When you apply limit means what? In the place of x you should not put 0. Use the formula. What is the formula? Limit extends to 0, 1 plus x power 1 by x is E. Means what? If this is x and if this is x and the power is also x, answer is E. So this whole thing becomes what? E, and power. What is the power we have? Power 4. E power 4. Now we got LHL. Now RHL means right-handed limit extends to 0 plus means choose the function when x is greater than 0. When x is greater than 0 also function is same. So RHL, if you solve, you will get same, e power 4 only. Now just find f of 0, function value when x is 0. When x is 0, what is the function value? E power 4. When x is 0, function value is what? E power 4. Therefore what is the conclusion? Therefore LHL, RHL and f of 0, all three are equal. Therefore f of x is continuous. F of x is what? Continuous at given point. Continuous at, what is the given point? They gave at x is equal to 0. When can you say function is continuous? If left-handed limit, right-handed limit, function and value at 0, if they are same, then we say function is continuous. Here all are same, but here we are using what? Theorem. So you should be thorough with this theorem. Limit extends to 0, 1 plus x power 1 by x is always what? E. Remember, like how you have learnt, limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta is 1. Limit theta tends to 0, tan theta by theta is 1. Similarly, limit extends to 0, 1 plus x power 1 by x is what? E. So now we'll start with the third problem. Limit extends to 0, mod x by x. They are asking you to prove it does not exist. See, please understand, if a function is having more than one value, then you should find left-handed limit and you should find right-handed limit. If left-handed limit and right-handed limit are different, then we say limit does not exist. So that's what we need to do now. So now f of x is positive x by x. You know mod x means plus or minus x. So f of x is x divided by x when x is greater than 0, and 0 when x is equal to 0, and minus x by x when x is less than 0. Positive x by x means what? Positive 1, negative 1, like that. Now I'll find LHL. So left-handed limit. What is left-handed limit? Limit extends to, they want you to find whether it exists or not at what? 0. So limit extends to 0 minus f of x. What is left-handed limit? Limit extends to 0 minus f of x. That is, limit extends to 0, but minus means choose the function when x is less than 0. When x is less than 0, the function value is minus x by x. That is minus x by x. So minus x by x becomes what? 1. minus 1. So it will become just limit x tends to 0 minus 1. Limit of minus 1 is what? Minus 1. You know, limit of constant is what? Constant. So LHL gave you minus 1. Now you go for RHL. What is RHL? Right-handed limit. I'll do it here. So that is RHL, right-handed limit. Right-handed limit means what? Do limit extends to 0 plus f of x, means limit extends to 0. Choose the function when x is greater than 0. When x is greater than 0, the function is what? X by x. Positive x by x. You know, x by x cancels. It will be what? 1. That is limit extends to 0, positive 1. Limit extends to 0, positive 1 is what? 1. So RHL is what? 1. Right-handed limit is what? 1. So you got LHL, you got RHL, but they are different. Here, RHL is not equal to what? LHL, or LHL is not equal to RHL. LHL is what? Minus 1. RHL is what? Plus 1. Therefore, the limit does not exist. Limit extends to 0. The given function modulus x divided by x does not exist. Actually, mod x by x, we call it a signum function. It will have 3 values. One, mod, see here only you can write mod x by x, that is 1, minus 1. Like this also you can write. When x is greater than 0, function is 1. When x is less than 0, function is minus 1. At x equal to 0, we assume it as 0. So this is the case. What is LHL? Left-handed limit. Limit extends to 0 minus f of x. Choose the function when x is less than 1. What is RHL? Limit extends to 0 plus f of x. What does it mean? Limit extends to 0. Choose the function when x is greater than 1. Here you got LHL different value, RHL different value. Therefore, LHL and non-HL, if they are different, we say limit does not exist. If LHL value and RHL value, if both are same, then limit exists. Always remember mod x by x. Mod x can be written as plus or minus x. So when function is having more than one value, we call it as piecewise function. For piecewise functions, we always should do LHL and RHL. Now, if the function f of x is equal to 1 plus 3x whole power 1 by x, x not equal to 0. X not equal to 0 means what? When x is less than 0 or greater than 0, this is the function. At x equal to 0, it is k, and they told E is continuous at E is continuous, find k. They told it is continuous. Continuous means at this value, it is continuous at 0, you should find k. So told it is continuous, so therefore I can say given. So in the problem they have given, if a function is continuous, indirectly left-handed limit, right-handed limit, and functional value at this 0 should be same. I can say LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of 0. They have not given like this, but they gave a word. They told it is continuous. If a function is continuous, I taught you, if any function is continuous, then its left-handed limit, right-handed limit, and functional value, all three should be same. Because they told it is continuous, I can take LHL is equal to RHL is equal to what? F of a. Find LHL, find RHL, find f of 0, equate any two different things. Or just find LHL and equate it to f of 0, you will get the answer. Now I will go to LHL. What is LHL? Left-handed limit. What is left-handed limit? Limit extends to 0 minus f of x. What is meant by limit extends to 0 minus? It is same as limit extends to 0. Minus means choose the function when x is less than 0. When x is less than 0, what is the function? 1 plus 3x whole power 1 by x. 1 plus 3x whole power 1 by x. I taught you how to apply limit for this. Now in the place of x, if you put 0, it will become indeterminate. It will become 0 power infinity, which does not take 1 power infinity like that. So we should not put x as 0. So we should convert it into nearest standard form. So already I taught you what is the standard form. Limit if x is tending to 0, and if you have 1 plus x power 1 by x reciprocals, and x is tending this, if they are same, answer is what? E. That's what I taught you. Now here you have 3x, here 3 is missing, so divide and multiply by 3. That is limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 3x, the missing term was 3. Here we have 3, so I'll write 3x here and 3 here. Now again convert it into law of indices. So using law of indices, I'll convert this. Limit x tends to 0, can I write it as 1 plus 3x power 1 by 3x whole power 3. If you use law of indices, if you multiply these two, you will get 1 by x. Now further this whole thing, here we have 3x, here we have 3x, and this, if x is tending to 0, multiply 3 on both sides. So further limit 3x tends to what? 0, 1 plus 3x power 1 by x, 1 by 3x power x, sorry, power 1 by 1 plus 3x power 3, sorry. This is what we got here. Now internal term, if you apply limit, it will be e, and power we have 3, e cube. So LHL you got what? E cube. RHL will be same. RHL also will be e cube. Why? Because RHL means limit extends to 0 plus f of x. That is, limit extends to 0. Choose the function when x is greater than 0. When x is greater than 0, function is same. So you will get RHL also same. So that's why don't waste your time. RHL will be same. Now therefore directly I'll take LHL is equal to f of 0. Equate LHL to f of 0. That implies, what is LHL we got? E power 3. What is RHL? F of 0. Functional value when x is 0. So f of 0. Function value when x is 0 is what? K. They gave f of 0 is what? K. So e cube is equal to k. Or we got the answer. What is k? K is e cube. What is k? E cube. So now we found out the unknown. They gave a hint. What is the hint given? They told the function is continuous. So they gave function f of x is equal to 1 plus 3x power 1 by x when x is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means what? When x less than 0 or when x greater than 0, this is the function. And they told it is k when x equal to 0. So find LHL, then find f of 0, equate them and solve and get the unknown. Next we have, if f of x is equal to e power 4x minus 1 by x, if x not equal to 0, means what? For LHL and RHL you can choose the same function, and it is k plus 1 when x equal to 0. Just find LHL and equate it to f of 0, because they told continuous. Again they gave a word continuous, so therefore what is the conclusion? So because they gave continuous, so I can say they have given LHL left handed limit is same as RHL right handed limit is same as functional value at 0. So I'll equate LHL to f of 0 to get the answer. First we'll find LHL. What is left handed limit formula? Left handed limit is limit extends to, they want you to, they told continuous at what point? 0. So that's why limit extends to 0 minus, we should write. LHL will write 0 minus f of x. What is the meaning of 0 minus? It is same as limit extends to 0, minus means choose the function when x is less than 0. When x is less than 0 or greater than 0, the function is this, because x not equal to 0 means what? X less than 0 or greater than 0. For x less than 0 or greater than 0, I can choose the same function. So then it will become e power 4x minus 1 divided by x. Now it is in the form e power x minus 1 by x. We have a standard form again. What is the standard form? Limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x. If this and this, here and power, if they are same, answer is 1. Here you can see in the power what we have? 4. We can't alter this. So therefore what we should do? Introduce, divide and multiply by 4. So now I'll write limit extends to 0, e power 4x minus 1, let it be, and this is x, so divide and multiply by 4. So I'll introduce 4 here and multiply 4 here. So divide and multiply by 4. So now this is constant, take this 4 outside. So I'll take 4 out, so I'll be having limit extends to 0, e power 4x minus 1 by 4x. Now this is this 4 constant outside. Now you can see this is 4x, this is 4x, and you can write 4x tends to 0. Multiply 4 on both sides. If these three are same, answer is what? 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is 4. So you got LHL. What is LHL value? 4. Equate left-handed limit to what? F of 0. What is f of 0? Functional value when x is equal to 0. LHL just now we got 4, and f of 0, function value when x is 0. When x is 0, what is the function value? K plus 1. 4 is k plus 1, and transfer 1 to this side. So 4 minus 1 is equal to k, or 3 is equal to k, or we say k value is exactly what? 3. What is k? 3. So now we got answer for the unknown. I hope all of you got this. They told it is continuous at x equal to 0. We found out LHL. To find LHL, one of the important formula, limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is what? 1. Means what? E power and denominator should be same. Power is 4x. So here 4 is missing. Divide and multiply by 4. This 4 is constant. Take it outside. Now it will be in the form e power x minus 1 by x form. So this are same. So answer for this after you apply limit is 1 by theorem. So 4 into 1 becomes what? 4. So next, limit extends to 1 f of x. They want where f of x is two values. So you can see when function is having two values, you should apply LHL and RHL. So first I'll find LHL. What is LHL? Limit extends to 1 minus f of x. What is meant by 1 minus f of x? It is same as limit extends to 1. 1 minus means choose the function when x is less than 1. When x is less than 1, it is minus x square minus 1. So in the place of x, if I put minus 1 square minus 1, so it will become minus 1 minus 2. Sorry, when x is less than 1, it is positive x square. So positive x square, it will become positive minus 1. It will be 0. LHL is 0. Greater than 1 is RHL. RHL is minus x square minus 1. In the place of x, if I put minus 1 minus 2. So limit does not exist. So here LHL value is not equal to what? RHL. So therefore limit does not exist. So why limit does not exist? Because whenever LHL value and RHL value, if LHL and RHL both are not same, we say limit does not exist. I hope all of you got this. Now x less than 1, this is the function. X greater than 1, this is the function. I substituted. So first case I will get 0 LHL. RHL I will get what? Minus 2. So minus 0 and minus 2 are not same. So LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore limit does not exist. Now f of x e power 5x minus 1 by 2x and kx when x not equal to 0, k plus x by 2 when x equal to 0, they told it is continuous at x equal to 0. If it is continuous, then LHL, RHL and f of 0 all are equal. So now same logic will apply. We will find LHL and we will equate it to what? F of 0. Find LHL. What is LHL? Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x, that is limit x tends to 0, minus means choose the function when x is less than 0, that will become e power 5x minus 1 by 2x. Further it will be limit x tends to 0, e power 5x minus 1 by 2x, e power 5x minus 1 by 2x. I will write 2 separately. I will divide and multiply by 5. So can we write like this? Into 5 divided by 5. Why? Because we have a theorem. Just now we have done another problem. So what I taught you, limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x. If these three are same, answer is what? 1. So now my target is in the power what we have. In the power what we have? 5x. So 5 was missing. So here we have 2. So I wrote 5 here and divide and multiply by 5, and I 2 separately wrote. Now 5 by 2 is constant. Take it out. This 5 by 2 and apply limit. Limit x is tending to 0. If x is tending to 0, 5x tends to 0. Multiply 5 on both sides. Then we will have e power 5x minus 1 by 5x. Now this is 5 by 2. And now this is 5x, this is 5x, this is 5x. If these three are same, by theorem it is what? 1. So now you got 5 by 2 as LHL. So this is more than sufficient for us. Now we got LHL. So now f of 0, function value when x is 0. When x is 0, they have given function value is what? K plus x by 2. F of 0 is k plus x by 2. So now equate LHL to f of 0. Separately we got f of 0, or they gave LHL. Just now we got, what is LHL? We got left-handed limit is 5 by 2. So if a function is continuous, then LHL, RHL, f of 0 all are same. So I can take LHL and f of 0 both are same. What is LHL? We got 5 by 2. What is RHL? They gave. What is RHL? K plus x by 2. K plus x by 2. X means what? 2 cancels. That implies 5 plus k, 5 is equal to k plus x. At x is equal to 0 means in the place of x put what? 0. K plus 0. In the place of x I am putting 0. Why? Because x value, functional value when x is 0 means here only you can write. So 5 is equal to k, or k is equal to what? 5 is the answer. Here in the place of x what we need to put? They told x value is how much? They gave it is 0. Substituted. I hope all of you got this. So now this is also one of the important questions. They will tell continuous, you should find unknown. So by this, standard problems that appeared in the past papers I have done. So I will go ahead with some more problems to end the topic. So limits and continuities, one of the important chapter of calculus. Today whatever the problems we have discussed, become thorough, recollect them. We have used 2 theorems. One is limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is 1. The other one is limit extends to 0, 1 plus x power 1 by x is e. These 2 are important. And we have done problems on continuity. When can you say function is continuous? If LHL, RHL, f of a all 3 are equal. Thank you for attending. I will see you in my next session. Thank you.